Hi, Habibi here. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a switch button or a toggle button with JavaScript, HTML5, CSS, and also jQuery, a JavaScript library. My idea is I want to create a switch button. First, I need to grab a switch button. And because we are going to use jQuery plugin, let me grab a source link for the jQuery so we can use it on our HTML file. This one is a nice example. I'm going to download this image to our working directory. Then I need one more image. I think this one is nice. I'm going to download it too. Let me rename it. Here is our jQuery website. We are going to download one of the jQuery version, this one. Let's download it to our directory. The next thing I'm going to do is to edit these images by using Photoshop. Let's continue this tutorial on the next part of this video.